Ataytis Matrix helps you build better Power BI reports faster, and I'm going to show you how. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how Ataytis Matrix stops you fighting the native matrix visual, helps report users make decisions faster, makes the report more interactive, and gives you cleaner outputs when the report needs to be shared. Firstly, native matrix is perfectly suited for simple table layouts, but there are many limitations that either slow you down with all the workarounds required, slow down your report due to complex modeling and calculations, or are simply not possible. With Ataytis Matrix, you can control every single cell on an individual basis and style it completely to your needs. There are numerous features such as calculated rows and columns that will help you escape complicated DAX calculations and let you add exactly what you need easily, just like in Excel. This one matrix can be shaped into many different reporting styles, from detailed operational reporting to management reports, KPI tables, and finance style reports. With Ataytis, you can bring the analysis directly into the matrix. You can add comparison columns, variance columns, percentage variance, calculated rows, calculated columns, conditional formatting, and in-cell visuals like bars, pins, dots, and waterfall style displays. So instead of just reading values, report users can compare performance, spot movement, and understand what needs attention directly inside the matrix. And because these options are built into the visual, you are not limited to one fixed reporting style. You can decide which columns show analysis, which stay as normal values, and where those visuals appear in the hierarchy. Ataytis Matrix can make the report more interactive. A lot of Power BI reports are static. They show the numbers, but if someone wants to search for a specific row, quickly change the view, expand or collapse sections, add a note, highlight something, or run a quick comparison, they can't or have to take this to other tools like Excel. Making your Power BI reports interactive is important because rather than just summarizing what happened, interactive reports help stakeholders immediately identify problem areas or high-performing trends. With Ataytis Matrix, those tools can sit directly inside the visual. You can add search bar, density controls, expand and collapse buttons, copy options, quick calculations, notes, highlights, comments, and export buttons. And the report creator stays in control. You decide which tools are available, how the toolbar is grouped, what labels are used, and whether the experience should stay simple or become more interactive. And when the report needs to leave Power BI, Ataytis Matrix gives you more control over the output. With Ataytis Matrix, you can export the matrix to CSV, Excel, or PDF. The export preserves the structure of the matrix, the formatting, the headers, totals, styling, and the visual elements you have built into the report. And if the report has been reviewed inside a visual, for example with highlighted cells, notes, or comments, those can be carried into the output as well. The exports can also be customized to specify how much data you want to export. You can add your logo, customize the title, and much more. In a nutshell, Ataytis Matrix is the most flexible matrix for all reporting needs. There are too many features to go through them all, but there is a free 30-day trial on Microsoft, so go explore it for yourself or learn more at ataytistech.com.